timer out?
Yep. You got a timer?
Gotcha.
Okay, so the guys put one of these in a bin and it got mislabeled, so we got to rebuild this pistol mag pouch. It was in a bin with 50 other M2 pouches and it got mislabeled. And the difference is the lid's bigger. So Cindy says, well, I'll just build another one and it'll take me a half hour. And I said, I can build that motherfucker in 5 minutes. And she said, there's no fucking way you can. So I'm gonna sew this right here with a timer in 5 minutes. And if I win, she's gonna wear a Batman costume all next week to work.
I'll be back, girl.
What size Batman costume should I buy you?
420. 420.
Oh my God. You're paying for it, right? He said, what size should he buy you?
There you go.
All right, 4 minutes, 20 seconds is what it took to build this pouch. We had a dude, his order's all ready to ship. We were missing this one piece, so we were trying to expedite it to get his order out. And I'm the one that fucked it up and mislabeled it. So here it is. I resewed it. His order will ship this afternoon, and he'll get his stuff in a day or two. There it is, 4 minutes, 20 seconds, single pistol mag pouch. Sweet. We'll auction this one. I fucked up. I just mislabeled it. We'll auction that off on the Facebook tonight.